Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to group your drawing object on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that, you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT. And just right side of this chart, you can see the object tree and data window option. So you need to click on that icon and now you can see object tree section, where you can see lots of trend line I had you before. So you need to click on that and now you can see the folder option or icon at the top left corner. So you need to click on it and now you will be able to group your drawing object successfully. So basically this is how you can group your drawing object on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.